How you doing? It's Debbie So Good TV. I'm not doing a cooking video. I'm just bringing you through my day. I have some spare ribs in my pot that I'm boiling up. I'm doing it my mama's way. I reached back in my memory and I said, you know what? I'm going to make these Chinese 5-spice ribs the way my mama would have done it. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just boiling up some ribs, onions and some spices in here, and she's going good. Let these ribs fall off the bone tender. So they're going to be in this pot maybe about for a good 45 minutes or until they're fork tender. You know, fork tender, falling off the bone. As my mama would say, they're going to be falling off the bone. You're going to bite your jaw. They're going to be so good. I love you. Oh, I miss that woman. I miss that woman. Okay. Be right back. I had to get out of that kitchen. It was really, really hot. But I came outside just to tell you something. I ran into Kathleen, one of the best bakers there at King Supers, Applewood area. She told me something, guys, that you can't believe, but I've seen this woman. She has lost so much weight. You do yourself a favor. Don't stop watching this video right now because you're going to learn something that I'm going to try. I'm going to get it, and I'm going to do a review on it. But, guys, oh, check this out. If you want to lose weight, you gotta check this out. Come on, let's go. Windy as heck out here. How y'all doing? Coming from King Supers, Applewood, and she has something that she has got to tell you guys about. She just told me, and I'm like, you know what? You guys have got to hear this. So tell me again about Thrive.
They're Thrive patches. You get vitamins, shakes, and wearable nutrition. And I'll send you the link so you can share it.
Oh, thank you so much. 35 pounds just using Thrive. This is awesome.
Yep.
Freaking awesome.
So we'll keep you updated on Burn.
Okay, and Burn is a new
weight loss.
Patch.
Yep.
Weight loss patch. Oh.
Yep. Awesome.
Let me see that patch just one more time. And this is the patch, guys. I don't want to see the boobies. Thrive. Okay, thanks, Kathleen, so much. That was some really good information that Kathleen gave us. Guys, I hope you remember that. And I'll put the link to the new diet program that she's going to be starting. I'll put that up for you as well. Okay, we're back home. Let's go in and finish up these barbecue spare ribs. Well, they're not barbecue, but they fall off the bone. So it's been a couple of hours since I've been back in the kitchen, and I didn't want to bore you guys with what I put into my Chinese 5-spice, the 5 Chinese 5-spice ribs, but just take a look how fall off the bone these are. I don't even need a knife. The bone just comes out easy. Oh my goodness, these things are so good. Take a look at that. They're so good, guys, so good. And if this video was helpful to you, comment down below. I want to hear and learn from you guys. The rest of you, leave a comment because you can learn from the other subscribers down below so many things, especially how to cook, whether or not this video was helpful, that sort of thing. And if this is your first time here, the goal of our channel, guys, is to enrich other people's lives. In some way, we hope to enrich your lives, bringing you recipes, do it yourself, things that will help you grow as a person. That's what our channel is all about. It really is. But these Chinese 5-spice ribs are so tender. And I'm just going to wash it down with just some plain water. And right over there are some videos that you might want to check out as well. Love you guys. See you next time. And don't forget, I'm going to be trying that Thrive. And I'll come back and let you know how that works out. All right, bye-bye.